We are pleased to show you the 2020 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, auxiliary audio input, push button start, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.